Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everybody. Hope you all are doing well. Man, look at this chart. It is absolutely amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Look at our signal here. The damage is done. Can we go up now? And I told you guys in the video as well that we are going to go up from here. The level was from $110,000 to $112,000 levels. And take a look at all the different things that we did in our chat group. So the other signal was that I showed my portfolio saying, so you can start buying again. Here's my top 4 holdings. And that chart above shows the recent market in the last 7 days, short-term fall, but this in the last 30 days, which we haven't lost anything, right? Then, okay, confirmed, bought Solana, Doge, Tau, and Ray. Okay, now later I showed these charts as well. Then after we went on profit. So this is what you're gonna get if you join our community. And if you haven't yet, then you're missing out on a lot, bro. Okay, like this video if you want it to reach to more people so they can also learn. We are teaching halal crypto trading and investing methods that are proven, that have kept me from earning haram money. We are doing absolutely everything through spot, and it's all halal, and we choose the coins that their main purpose is providing value to the world, and they're also like the base of them are absolutely halal. So you are welcome to join our community and also subscribe for future videos. And also, if you want to learn just from the beginning, join our WAP link from the description below. You can get a whole complete lessons for free. Okay, now let's go and analyze the charts finally. From where should we start? Let's go and check Bitcoin. As usual, the main thing that we're focusing is Bitcoin. Let's put our signal arrow here so we can see everything. I told you sell at 120,000. I told you buy at 112 to 110,000. Go check the last video. Now we are breaking this trend line, which this is a perfect breakout, and this is a perfect retest. We're going to go to hunt $120,000 levels again, because most people shorted there. That's why we had this amazing 7% fall. 7% fall. It's not so much, right? The market was just correcting, but some things really lost a lot, like Ethereum. Ethereum went from 3,800 to 3,367, which was our level to buy, and you can see that it lost 14%. And now it's again up, breaking zones after zones, and it's in profit 25%. Now let's go and see where else it can go. So as you know, this line that we're tracking is a parabolic trend line. If you don't know what that is, it means that you're not a professional trader, and it also means that you should join and learn from the beginning with us. So yeah, it's up to you. Go learn from anywhere. Learn, make money, okay? It's all good. Yeah, so it keeps breaking, and in here I said to everybody, we actually did a poll on general chat and our community, asking that what do you think if Ethereum could break within this weekend. And if you see the week candle, it has still 1 day and 15 hours left, and my vote was yes. and a lot of people copied my vote anyways. Some people said no, it's not gonna break. Some people said it's gonna break. But anyways, it's good. People are learning, they're trying their very best. I am really, really happy for that. So Ethereum has broken its high. What does it mean for us? Let's go check Ethereum BTC as well. Then I'm gonna tell you what I mean. So as you can see, it's breaking zones again and again. All these resistances. We are about to reach a very long trend line, which I've been tracking for a very long time. And this trend line, both of them are broken. But you need to keep in mind that this is not an easy trend line to be broken. So we can still expect a dump, not a dump, like a correction in the market very, very soon. And once we break this level, you know what's gonna happen. Ladies and gentlemen, it will be alt season for good. Every alt coin, other than that, all the Ethereum tokens that we have been investing since last year, since 2 to 3 years, that we obviously made money in them, but again, they're all gonna just explode and go to the air. That's what's gonna happen. So my opinion on Ethereum, this high is being broken, so probably we're going to expect a retest of some sort, maybe within today or until Monday, like something like this is quite possible. Otherwise, if the price closes even a little bit higher, then you might expect something like this. So it might not come back to this zone again. That's another scenario. But if the price closes somehow below this, then you should see that this line is the final line for you to be holding Ethereum, 3,900. Why? Because if something catastrophic happens, what it can do, it can obviously definitely take us back to these zones. So $3,300 will be quite possible. We can have a breakout, but the correction will be even lower, taking out a lot of leverage from the market, whoever bought on leverage here. So most of them might get destroyed. So that's also a likely scenario, this one. And the other one will be this one that would lead to 3,374. So this is my opinion on Ethereum. For now, it's so bullish, it's so strong, I can't tell you enough, but it will reach in a point that it will be stopped, right? So where are we looking? Where are we exactly looking? Let me show you on, like, let's keep this analysis. Let's open another ETH USDT chart. Doesn't matter, just open any one. Let's see. Okay, so you can see that this is still being broken on a weekly chart, right? And also on a monthly chart, which is still has 22 days left. So we can't just say that it will this will become the support unless this monthly candle closes above it. But for daily and weekly, of course it can be, but for a longer period of time we need to track that. And also we need to take a look at this order block right at 4,733 and 4,860, somewhere like that. So what is going to happen when we reach here, just in case that the price could exponentially go up there are two things that are gonna happen. One, everybody is looking at $5,000 at the moment. That's one take profit for you. The other one is that everybody is expecting since years Bitcoin, like it, for Ethereum to go to 6 to, I don't know, 7 to 8,000. But let's not go there. I don't wanna tell you things that doesn't really matter. At the moment, we're looking at $4,700 level, and people really don't. Some people believe we're gonna go to 5,000. Some people believe we don't. But we're here to read charts and say exactly what is the possibility. So it's not gonna directly go here, obviously, unless one thing happen in the market to push the price even further up, which is Bitcoin dominance. Yes, what are we looking at is this zone and also this trend line, which is a very good trend line that we have been tracking, and it needs to be broken, and it needs to go to these lower levels, so people will give us literally alt season. This means that the altcoins are performing well against Bitcoin, and it doesn't mean the price of Bitcoin is gonna come down. It means that now people are buying Bitcoin so much, but at the same time, other people are selling Bitcoin so much more than that, that they're trying to buy and accumulate these altcoins to gain more profit from the market. Remember, when the price becomes crazy and everything will be going up, and we will reach in a point that every other meme coin and other utility coins, like the whole market is exploding 50 to 100% levels. Those are the times that you need to be very cautious that what's gonna happen to the market. If things change, you can not only quickly lose all the profit that you made, but you can also go back and loss a lot in loss. So if this line gets broken, then we will be good for like at least till November. That's what I expect. Like September, November will be still bullish. If this line is going to be broken, we will see some more gains. But if not, then this is the likely scenario. It will claim back this level that it just broke, like it happened previously at these times. You see, it broke this level, then it came back, regained, then we eventually went even higher. But we want to see this broken. Once this is broken, so this is a very good trend line, and it will give us more room for making more money with the altcoins, and Bitcoin will lose its dominance, and Ethereum will explode even further, going towards hunting $5,000 level that we just talked about. Okay, what will happen to ETH BTC? So this chart is also important for the altcoins that we're holding. So once we reach, this is one resistance that you can look at, which is 0.037, and the other one is 0.04, that at those prices we should see that which asset of ours performed so much and reached a level of resistance and the supply, so we can take the majority of the profit from that and leave everything else on where they are. But also it's a bit complicated, so I can't make you understand everything in just this one video, so we're not gonna go deep on that. We just need to go and see what is Solana doing. I'm talking really fast, but if you want to listen to everything that I'm saying, slow the video down from the settings of YouTube. I want to finish this quickly because I have really other important work to do. I'm trying to finish the classes for you so all of you can go and study and become a trader yourself. Don't rely on indicators, don't rely on somebody's signals, although we give signals, but it's just purely for students only most of the time. Other people can also come and enjoy these signals, like fair first like four major coins: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Doge. But I want you guys to become a trader, so understand that. Okay, we took some profits in Solana. It doesn't mean sell everything, it just means that take profit in Solana. So we did take profit and sold this newly bought position because we bought a lot here as well. So we need to be tracking this level with a lot of caution. If this is broken, it will speed up and go, and even we might get to see Solana breaking up these levels. This time it was really Ethereum season, and we are holding a lot of Ethereum tokens, which is very, very good for us. Now you see how Solana is still losing after breaking this, which I just mentioned in the previous video. It's losing against Ethereum, but no worries. We're making money. As long as we're making money, that's fine. Okay, Sol BTC is doing good. I told you in the last video that we have reached the level of demand that we should be buying Solana more than we buy Bitcoin. And you know, we are not actually into Bitcoin right now. We are all in altcoins because we want to make so much more from the market. And you can see there as well. I don't have to tell you anything. Look at Dogecoin. Mashallah. So we did take profit here. Why? Because we needed money to go and buy some other coins that is going to outperform Dogecoin. That's why we took profit. Same with Solana. We bought two other coins and I told the students to go and accumulate them. Now you can do the same if you want, if you know anything like that. But if you don't know and if you're a beginner, please study. I keep saying that because it's important. Education is the most important thing, and I am here to guide you every step of the way because nobody was there to guide me fully to understand everything inside this market unless I had to pay so much and give so much of my time, you know. Look at Doge BTC. Okay, we didn't reach exactly here, but I did tell you that it's on demand, and I did tell you to buy. I literally told you to buy in the group. Did you? I hope you did, and I hope you're making money because I love to see everybody get rich while I am getting rich. I'm not gonna have it all for myself. I want to share with you. Okay, gold against BTC. Good. It's dumping. Gold, dollar. It did go up back from this level. Well, it didn't do according to what we thought it would, but the market's still going up, which is a good thing. Nonetheless, trust me, the moment this chart falls and Bitcoin speeds up, you're gonna be making so much money. Now it's again reaching the level of resistance. Let's see if it's gonna fall back or even fall back lower, or it can break higher. Let's see. Dollar against all the other currencies. What did I tell you here? I said it can't. It's done. Dollar is dying. It will just go down, bro. Look at this. Once it breaks this level, then you're looking at 89. Ta-da! Dollar is dying. Everybody knows that nowadays. So if you don't know and you're still holding dollar, then I'm so sorry. USDT is better than dollar. You know why? Because you can go buy Bitcoin with it. That's how good it is. That's all. Look at dollar against Canadian dollar. Same thing. It's done. Dollar is trending down against the entire universe. And this is USDT dominance. People are selling their USDT, they're buying Bitcoin. I told you it was done. If it closes below this support, which it did, where are we looking? We're looking at this level of demand that we have below it. Now it's going to be amazing to see how this is gonna perform, but real money will be made after we break this level. Look at how much gap there is until the next demand and until the other one. And if you see from a bigger perspective, we are trending down. So this is a trend down. Go down. People are selling USDT despite they are making more USDT, but when the chart is going down, they're flipping it. So we're tracking everything correctly. We're not falling behind. It's very important to see, check everything. This is total market cap of the entire cryptocurrencies, and perfect bounce from this high. As I told you, I'm not even surprised anymore. But this one, I give you two scenarios. You can go back and listen to that. One was this support. If it was reclaimed, we would go back to the high. Otherwise, we would see this level. But it doesn't really matter because we did buy here. We did buy. It's just not showing in this chart, so doesn't matter, does it? No. And this one, perfect. Right from the demand. What else do you want? I'm giving you everything, and you're not even subscribed to the video. You don't even like so other people see it, so they all can make money. That is all. See you in the next video, inshallah.